Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, confirm prerequisites, and take the first actionable steps. Inspect the instrument for damage, verify battery level is at least 50%, and replace filter if expired. Once done, sanitize your hands and wipe all contact surfaces with a 70% alcohol pad to reduce contamination. Make sure to assemble components in the correct order: base, filter, sensor, then cap, so the system seals properly. This prevents leaks and ensures accurate readings. You proceed to the complex middle steps. Power the instrument and allow the self-test to complete until you see a green LED or stable readout. Next, calibrate using the supplied calibration standard or 1 to 2 reference samples so the sensor output aligns with known values. This improves accuracy. Once calibrated, operate using the defined measurement protocol. Hold the device steady, avoid abrupt motion, and capture data over the 10 to 30-second sampling window to collect. You finish by closing out the procedure and preparing for troubleshooting if needed. Record the results immediately, clear temporary memory only when instructed, and power down according to the procedure to preserve settings. Replace consumables, filters, reagents, and batteries on their scheduled interval to maintain performance. If something goes wrong, check physical connections first, then recalibrate and repeat the measurement. Make sure to log any error codes and the conditions of the test. This speeds diagnosis and prevents repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.